Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to split and merge orders, and the reason you would need to split orders is, well, I'll explain that right now. If, for example, let's take this order as an example. Let's say you are sourcing from multiple vendors or platforms. One example could be that Honest FulPhilment cannot provide this product. It could be because we can't find it, we can't add it to the marketplace, the supply is out of stock, or we're too expensive. Regardless of the reason, it's just not possible for you to fulfill this SKU with Honest FulPhilment. Although these ones we can. The other three, no problems. We might even have them in stock, and we might be cheaper, and it's just better for us to fulfill all of these ones. So you're not going to want to click on order and order all of these items. So what you're going to do is one of two things. You can either split the order, so we would remove these items and keep these, and you would only pay for an order including these three SKUs. Another way of doing it is to, if we look at this order example, you can see that there are 4 SKUs, 3 of them have not yet been connected and 1 of them has been connected. So let's flip it round. Let's say that all of these SKUs you don't want to fulfill. Maybe you have them in your US 3PL, your US warehouse, and it's going to be sent to a US customer, so you don't want to fulfill these with Honest FulPhilment. But this one, you don't have any stock in your US fulfillment, so only we can fulfill it. In this scenario, there's nothing you need to do. You don't need to split an order if you don't want to. Because you haven't connected these items, when you click on order, it will only order the connected items. You can see there's only 1 here. So there's no splitting involved, no amending the order. You can just go ahead, place the order as normal, and then once we dispatch, it would update the line item in your Shopify. So it won't update the whole order, it will update only this SKU that has been dispatched. So that's obviously the easiest way of doing it. You don't connect the products. Do not connect the products that you don't want us to fulfill. If you've already connected them, however, then we'll go back to the original example. This is where you would need to use the split feature. So we'll go ahead and do this. It's very straightforward. So what I'll do, let's restore this because I was playing around with it before. Right. I split that one previously. So originally this order had 5 items. So let's say this one at the top, this is the one we want to split. So you just click on split, add sub order. You can add multiple sub orders. All this is going to do is create, well, as the button suggests, a sub order. So it will be 004 and then it will have a reference at the end, but we'll see what happens. You will only need to create 1 sub order unless for some reason you wanted to create multiple splits. So all we need to do is click on select for the item you want to remove from the order. So as you can see, I've created 3 sub orders and they're listed here, but we only need 1. So as you've removed them, you can see only 1 appears. Click on that. So you can see it's moved over to this sub order here. Click on confirm split, and you can see it split the order. That product is no longer in here, and it's added S1 at the end, S2 for the sub order 1, sub order 2. If you made an error or mistake, then you can restore it and it will batch it back together in that same order. Simple as that. One thing I want to mention now is the merge feature. As default, our app does not automatically merge orders which come from the same user. Let's say a customer of yours placed an order an hour ago, and then they came back and thought, oh, I forgot to add this item. Or maybe you upselled them, they received an email and they came back and placed another order. It would show as two separate orders as Shopify would. There's no difference there. But obviously you don't want to send it as two separate orders. That's why you would need to merge them, so that you save the fixed packing fee, as well as having it bundled in the same parcel. Obviously, before you can merge, the recipient details must be exactly the same. Same name, same address. So otherwise it won't work. Select two that you would like to merge. Click on merge, and then select the shipping method that you would like to use, and then merge. We are going to be releasing a feature in the near future which will have like a automatic batch merge here. So when you click it, it would find any orders which are the same recipient, and it will automatically batch them together to save you time. But for the moment, you have to do this manually. Don't worry too much though, because even if you don't merge them together, once the orders are pushed through to our backend system, our backend system will automatically merge them. So it's not the end of the world if you miss it, but the main thing here is that if you merge the orders, you're going to be saving on the fixed fee, or what they call the sometimes called the signature fee. Basically, it's for you to use a shipping service. So say for example Union Express Standard, the fixed fee, depending on which country it's going to, is usually it varies from $1 something to $3, or could be more in some countries. So that's kind of the parcel fee per parcel. So even if you send an empty parcel, you still have to pay that let's just call it a parcel fee. So by merging them together, when you go and place an order, normally you're going to be saving that $1 to $3. So that's the main reason why you would need to merge it. And that's it. So once again, thank you again for watching another tutorial. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Every week I'm going to be releasing a feature or app tutorial, and highlighting the benefits of app.honestfulphilment.com. And if you have any feature requests, or you want to possibly suggest any improvements or amendments, please leave a comment below and I'll be happy to look into them and potentially implement them. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and take care. See you next time.